everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Angela and I wanted to do something very exciting today. I wanted to talk about our favorite brand, the NYX brand, and I wanted to actually go over the different colors today, and I was hoping that you guys could join along and just kind of think about the colors, like when you would wear these type of colors, what season you would wear these colors. They come in all different shades, and so we're going to talk about the formula and the shades. So let me just run through them and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have my wipes. Okay, I have my wipes. I just have some water wipes. They are the Pampers Aqua Pure brand. I love these. These are 99% pure water. I use them on my face, makeup, and I also use them to clean around the house. So I really like them. And then I have some lip balm. I have some Carmex. Let me just start by taking off my makeup. Okay, so the first one we're going to go over is the Powder Puff Lippie called Boy. So I would have to say that it's very creamy, and this is like a pinky color. What I'm noticing right away is that the texture of it is very smooth. It's powdery, like it's stating, and they make your lips feel full. I really like that. Like, they make your lips feel full, they make your lips feel comfortable. It doesn't feel dry. I think with the pink you might have some areas where it might not feel like it's even toned. Maybe if you apply a base lip liner and then put this on top, it will kind of fill in that unevenness that you're seeing. But that's pretty much how it feels on the lips. It feels really good on the lips. It feels very hydrated without feeling wet. So let's go on to the next color. So the next color is Boy's Tears. I really love the texture on this. I really love the color. It is a fire engine orangey red. I love this color. Absolutely love this color, and I definitely would get this. Boy's Tears. The next color is Crushing Hard. Right off the bat, this is definitely an orange, but it's not like a fiery orangey orange. I love this orange. This orange is popping. It's a good orange. So if you're looking for orange, this is a good orange. Crushing Hard. The next color is Groupie Love. Right off the bat, you guys, this is red. It is so beautiful, my God. Really beautiful and vibrant red, and oh, it's so beautiful. So grown up looking. I love this red. Very beautiful and rich looking too. Very rich looking. This one gives an even application. I love that. If I have to pick between the oranges, I would probably pick Boy's Tears over Crushing Hard. That's a personal preference, but I would pick that most definitely, and I would also pick this color. Group Love. Next up, of the Powder Puff, Moody. Ooh, I love that. It's a plum, you guys. It really is beautiful. I love this plum color. It's like the perfect plum. Ooh, I just love it. Moody. Next up, Teacher's Pet. Ooh. I like this, you guys. This is so good. It's like a really beautiful, like gingerbread color. I love it. And I love the little applicator. You see the applicator? It's very, very smooth. I love that. It's so feminine. It's so beautiful. I cannot even part with these at all. That's why I wanted to show you guys this collection, because this collection is amazing. I really do love them. If I have any links, I'll link them down below so that you can get some of these items. Teacher's Pet. Next up, Squad Goals. I'm telling you, if you want your lips to look puffy, if you want them to look like they are plump, these right here, these powder puff lippies, they are going to make your lips look plump, girl. They're going to make them look plump and beautiful. And the texture they just make somebody wants to look at them and kiss your lips. I love it. It's like a grown-up pink. I love that pink. It's different from this pink, okay? This pink right here is a little bit more vibrant. I would think of this pink as a very, very vibrant pink. Very pretty pink, okay? But this pink right here is, ooh, just a beautiful, beautiful pink. It's a toned down pink, okay? They serve different purposes, but they are both beautiful, both beautiful. So this is Squad Goals. This is Best Buds. Oh, this is so pretty. This is like a lighter rosy pink. I love it. I love it. You know, like that rose color is really pretty. This is Best Buds. Next up, Cool Intentions. Ooh. This is the most beautiful brown I have ever seen. Oh, it's so grown up looking. It's so feminine. It just looks so good. Like, it's a really great fall color as well. And this one again is Cool Intentions. And the next one up is Pop Quiz. Ooh-wee, oh my goodness, this is so good. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. Oh my gosh, if you had to get one right away for the fall, it's Pop Quiz. Hands down, I would get Pop Quiz because it's like that deep autumn red, like rich color is so beautiful. If you want more of an appley red or a Vampire red, I would go with the Group Love. But in terms of like the deepness and the depth of this color, it's a pretty like red leaf. Like, you know the leaves that you see outside for fall? It's really pretty like that. It's called Pop Quiz. Beautiful, beautiful, stunning color. Next up is Prank Call. Wow, I really like this. This is beautiful. Prank Call is giving me definitely fall vibes, autumn vibes, and it's a beautiful red, and it's like an autumn red leaf. And so this is the perfect color for the fall, and you have to go get this color because it's so beautiful. And you also can wear it in the winter time because it's so beautiful. And actually, this shade is very similar to Pop Quiz. And Pop Quiz is basically a deeper red. It's a very deeper vampy red. But this one is like a little bit deep. It's not as deep. The other one is a deeper red. This one is a little bit deep. But it's still giving me grown woman vibes, and I love it. Absolutely love it. So that one was Prank Call. The next one up is Detention. Detention. Wow, this one is a nice purple. I love it. And it goes really good with my gray sweater. You get a very wide variety of shades. I really like that. This is one of my favorite collections. It is so smooth. It is so beautiful. The shades are fantastic. And they're just shades that really pop. And that was Detention. Next up, Senior Class. It's a little different from the one before, which was Detention. It is more of an exotic purple. The other one was really a true purple. If you enjoyed this video so far, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you're new. And we have one more Lippie, and the Lippie is Willpower. This is a really nice lilac color. So the other two colors were more of a real purpley color, and this one is a lilac purple. It has a slight pink in it. If I had to choose a color for Christmas, it would be Group Love. If I had to choose another red color, it would be Prank Call, which I really, really love. And I also love this deep Pop Quiz. I really love that, and I think that one is perfect for fall as well as Christmas. And if you're looking for a spring color, I would say go with the BBY. Me personally, I'll wear it year round. That's just me. That's just how I am. But I really enjoyed you guys. Here are all the shades. I can't wait to see you again here on my channel. I love you guys. I was so excited to share this collection because this collection is so dear to my heart. I just have to get backups because I'm afraid. I don't want them to go out of stock. So make sure that you check out my description down below and see if there are any links to any of these that I can find on Amazon. And I want you to have a really great holiday and great season.